Today we're going to be having a garden experiment. It's me, Mackenzie, on Aspie Kids. I'm going to be showing you guys this really strange thing that happened. I'm pretty sure me and my mom, my family, think that it's a cutworm, and it's eating our eggplant. As you can see, it looks like something's been eating it. See how the stem over here is okay, but the rest of it isn't. I'm going to be trying to make a homemade deterrent with 3 items. So I heard that eggshell could work on itself, and I heard that coffee grounds could work by itself. So we're going to be mixing them together to make a super duper solution. Do you think this will work? Please stay tuned. Hey guys, wait, what am I doing over here? Like, why are my gloves in my hands? Well, anyways, so I will be showing you guys how to make a deterrent for bugs in the garden. We've never done this, but we're gonna try it out anyway. So, first ingredient is going to be some awesome soil / compost. So these are from some seedlings that didn't germinate, so we're gonna be reusing the soil. Our second ingredient, eggshells. So we have this whole thing full of eggshells. We will not be using these because there are germinating seeds in them. So let's get cracking. What am I doing back here? And what was that weird place I was at? Well, let's just carry on. What is this smell? It smells so much like my mom's coffee. Wait, that's her coffee? What am I doing with my mom's coffee if I don't drink it? So I'm gonna be mixing this in. I need a shovel. Where's the shovel? What am I doing with this shovel? It can't work, but I guess I'll have to roll with it. If you want to see if this eggplant works with this deterrent, check back. You got chase back. Thanks for watching Aspie Kids. Thanks for watching Aspie Kids. Like, subscribe. Aspie Kids. We love Aspie Kids. Do you love it? Aspie Kids.